Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q3 of the weekly contest 283. Find the grid of region average. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So honestly, this one, I feel really sad about it because I got two wrong answers. It took me 11 minutes as well because I had to debug the two wrong answers. And also, to be honest, this was pretty straightforward. And in that straightforward kind of way, I kind of forced myself to rush myself a little bit during the contest, and as I rushed myself, I made silly mistakes. But really, when I got it turns out there's no tricks to this problem. I was also worried about the running time. Let me take a look at this submission time for this one, actually, real quick. Yeah, so it took 5.7 seconds, so I was justifiably a little bit worried about the running time. And there's some optimizations that I could do, yes, but I don't know. Maybe there's a bigger optimization. I mean, maybe with related to convolutions or something like that. And maybe there's some stuff about, like, there is definitely an optimization, but it just seems very, awkward, I guess. But yeah, all right, let's go over the solution, and we'll go over a slightly more optimized solution. But yeah. But basically, to be honest, this is just, for the way that I did it is brute force. You can actually optimize this to be, say, 9 times faster, and we'll go over how in a second. But yeah. But basically, the idea here is that, okay, this is the initial kick thing, right? We declare R and C. This is the initial loop. So this is basically if the 3x3 corner that starts at ij is good, then we increment ij, and basically we have this thing. Maybe I could win this a little bit differently, I don't know, but basically but this is the point where I had errors because I was just I don't know, I was just being silly, I guess. But basically for each of these cells, we just look at to the left and to the right and to the down, and then we just look at it for each of the 8 cells, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, and this is as it, I don't think there's anything tricky about how I write this. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. And what I mean by that is just this is following the rules. It looks right and down, and the reason why you only need to look right and down is because if you look up and left, that means that the other pixel already looked at you, right? So there's some symmetry there that I exploit. To be honest, I think I overdought this one, and that's why I had like 2 typos and 2 wrong answers. Is from this. It's because I wrote the if statements a little bit off. And actually, I guess one of these I just had 2 instead of 3 because I didn't, and then it didn't count the last row and column. Silly mistakes. But and if you had just written it like, but I feel like. Some optimization needs to be done though, because I was getting very close to the runtime or the time limited, so I don't know. But yeah, otherwise, so if this is good, checking all the adjacent elements, and we just actually do what we're supposed to do. We sum up the total for each cell that we care about, and we increment the count, and then at the end we do total over this the count to get the average round down. And of course the image is going to be just, I mean, if there's no regions, then we just take the image. This is pretty, straightforward. I think, I'm a little bit ashamed that I got 2 wrong answers, to be honest. And you could watch me solve a live contest after this so that you could see where I made the mistakes. But that's pretty much it. Again, here's the top of the code. Here's the bottom of the code, and that's pretty much it. What's the complexity here, right? So this is going to be n or R times C times 9 because there are 9 adjacent cells. Both here and here. So I did say that you can do an optimization, and the optimization is just by using prefix sum. For example, here you can query that with prefix sum, so that saves a 9 thing. Here you can have a representative square, so that you only need to kind of sum up, and then you do a prefix sum off that, so you don't need to do it 9 times for each cell. And here as well, you can pre-calculate a lot of these so that you can do the prefix sum on that. It's non-trivial though, to be honest. I mean, it's not difficult once you kind of have the idea, but it's definitely a lot of edge cases and easy to get wrong. So this is still the way that I would prefer it, but I just wish I didn't make so many mistakes. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and yeah, you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. I have to think about it. That's not so bad. It's like a suffix away thing. I don't know. Maybe I should read the poem first. All right. Who does this? Makes me scroll so much to read this. This is so silly. Say what? Absolute difference in intensity is less than, okay. Okay, I think I get what they're asking, but it's still a really weird problem. Okay. 500 times 500 times 9. I don't get why this is hard. Be fast enough, but I do worry about Python because Leetcode is silly. Squared. YOLO. Maybe timeout, maybe. It's hard to say. Ooh, that is actually pretty bad. Did not expect that. Huh. So 4. So it's saying that there's no 7 and 2. So why is this returning true? Poop. Why? Tell me why. I mean, yes, but why? How? Doesn't this express? Oh, I am dumb, I'm dumb. Oh, man. Oh, got a little bit lazy. Oh, man. A little bit lazy. Did I have my print statements? No. Now if it times out, that'll be really sad. Wow, I don't know how to code. Oh, I'm rushing it too much, maybe. Oh, so it's saying that 1, 1, so the first 3 corners. 14. Oh no, I'm saying that it is not, but it should be returning true. How am I debugging this? This is not a hard problem. That's the bad part about it, I don't think. 2, 2. Oh. No, you. I am rushing it. Basically, we want the corner, right? Why am I so bad at this? That is so dumb, Larry. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye-bye.